So in this video, I'll show you how you can generate QR codes for thousands of rows right inside Google Sheets. And not only that, I will also show you how you can upload those QR codes as images to Cloudinary and then get the URLs of all the uploaded image in your Google Sheets. So let's get to it. I have noted down some steps that I'll follow for the video. First of all, let's create the QR code URL, and for that we'll be using this Google Sheets Google Chart API. I'll copy this URL and let's come back to the Google Sheets. So for this, you can either generate QR codes for URLs or text. So yeah, let's write the formula. And the formula is very simple. You just have to write the Google API URL, and after that you will have to encode the text. So for that I'm using this encode URL function, which is already inbuilt in Google Sheets. And after that I'll just pass this A2, the data, and just that. You can okay, there is an error. Yes, I have to provide since I'm concatenating two different strings, I'll have to provide this. Yeah. After that, you'll see if I click on the URL, you'll see that I have a QR code ready. So now I just have to drag down, and yes, and to help you further, you can adjust the resolution of your QR codes from here, but you cannot generate further than 547 pixels of resolution. If I try to put 600 here, let me try putting 600 and then open. It says that 600 by 600 specify charts with this many pixels, which exceeds the maximum of this many pixels. So you get it, right? Okay, I'll just go back. Yeah, 500 by 500. And yes, we have the QR code ready for all the data. If the data is like very long, in this case, the text is very long, the QR code will be like this. So it's working. And now let's try to upload these QR codes as images to Cloudinary. So for that, I have written some custom scripts, which you can see here. By the way, if you are wondering, I'll be providing the custom scripts in the description. So you don't have to go through the script here, but yes, I have already copy pasted the script in this app script section, which you can access from under extensions and then app script. After that, I have to do some settings in this settings sheet. I have to write something information here. But before that, since I have to write Cloudinary cloud name and then Cloudinary preset name. So let's now move to Cloudinary, and I have already created a free account on Cloudinary for the video. And you just need these two information. One is cloud name, which I'll just copy and paste in the cloud name section here in the sheet. And now I need the preset name. So for that, you'll have to create a new preset name by clicking on this settings icon and then go to this upload section. And now you'll have to add a new upload. So yes, if you click on this new upload, you can name it whatever you want. For example, in this case, I can just write QR codes. And then this is important. You'll have to keep it at unsigned. And if you want to upload it in a different folder, you can just write, let me write QR codes. So all the images will be uploaded in the QR codes folder. And after that, just click on this save button. And yeah, and this is the exact upload preset name. But if you want to like take it further one step ahead, then you can go to this upload manipulations and you can do several things here. Actually, you can auto compress your images. For example, in this case, I can just click on this auto and the images will be compressed, and then only it will be saved. So for now, this is enough. I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll just copy this upload preset name and then paste it here. And after that, I'll have to write the data sheet name, which is named as QR. So I can just write QR here, not QR codes. I can just write QR. Okay, start processing from row. So I want to start processing from the second row and then process till the seventh row. So I can just write second here and then seven here. QR code link columns. Yes. So where is the QR code link? The QR code link is in the column B. So I can just write B. Cloudinary upload columns. So where is the where do I want the Cloudinary uploaded links to appear? In the column C. So I can just write column C. And data columns. So where is the data coming from? So I'll come back to it later. Actually, this is optional. This is not required. So I'll come back to it later. Okay, then everything is ready, and now you can just go here and select the call Cloudinary function and then run. So when you run it for the very first time, it will ask you for some permissions. But since I have already run it earlier, like this will not ask me for any permission. I can just click run and it should start uploading unless there is an error. Okay, okay. As you can see, the QR codes are being uploaded, and if I open any QR code, it will open as an image URL. Now you can see that. And if you want, I can also scan the QR code on from my mobile phone and then show you the result. So it's working. And now let's address some of the frequently asked questions. So we are done with everything. Fill in the settings sheet, upload the QR code to Cloudinary. Now let's address this question. What's the limit of the Google Chart API? So there is no limit set by the Google for the API URL, but it may set limits if you are abusing the API URL. So use it responsibly. And apart from that, how to see the QR codes inside Google Sheets. So yes, you can see the QR codes right here. See QR icon, and you can use the Google Sheets inbuilt image function and then pass this QR URL. I can just write B2 and now the QR codes are visible here as well, as you can see. So yes, that's it. Hope this helps. And by the way, I have provided the link to the script that I have used here in the description. So make sure to get it. And see you in the next video.